As an artificial intelligence chatbot assistant, I am designed to process and understand textual information. My capabilities are primarily focused on natural language processing, which allows me to engage in conversations, answer questions, generate text, and perform various language-based tasks. However, my current architecture does not include the ability to directly analyze or interpret visual content such as images or videos. This limitation stems from the fact that image and video processing require specialized algorithms and neural networks that are distinct from those used for natural language processing. To understand an image, an AI system needs to be able to identify objects, recognize patterns, and interpret the relationships between different elements within the image. This typically involves using convolutional neural networks, which are specifically designed for image analysis. Similarly, video analysis requires the ability to track objects, recognize actions, and understand the temporal relationships between different frames. This often involves using recurrent neural networks or other specialized video processing techniques. Because I do not have these capabilities, I am unable to provide any information or insights based on visual content. I cannot describe what is in an image, identify objects in a video, or provide any other type of visual analysis. This is a significant limitation, as visual information is often crucial for understanding the world around us. However, it is important to remember that AI technology is constantly evolving, and new capabilities are being developed all the time. In the future, it is possible that I will be able to analyze images and videos, but that is not currently within my capabilities. The field of artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, with new breakthroughs and developments occurring frequently. One area of significant progress is in the development of multimodal AI systems, which are designed to process and integrate information from multiple sources, including text, images, audio, and video. These systems typically use a combination of different neural network architectures to handle the different types of data. For example, a multimodal AI system might use a convolutional neural network to analyze images, a recurrent neural network to process text, and a separate neural network to analyze audio. The outputs of these different networks are then combined to create a comprehensive understanding of the input data. Multimodal AI systems have the potential to be much more powerful and versatile than single-modal systems. They can be used for a wide range of applications, including image captioning, video understanding, and natural language generation. For example, a multimodal AI system could be used to automatically generate captions for images to understand the content of videos or to generate natural language descriptions of complex scenes. However, there are also significant challenges involved in developing multimodal AI systems. One challenge is that the different types of data often have different characteristics and require different processing techniques. For example, images are typically represented as arrays of pixels, while text is typically represented as sequences of words. It can be difficult to combine these different representations in a way that allows the AI system to effectively learn from the data. Another challenge is that the different modalities may contain conflicting or incomplete information. For example, an image might show a person performing a certain action, while the accompanying text might describe a different action. The AI system needs to be able to resolve these conflicts and create a consistent understanding of the scene. Despite these challenges, the development of multimodal AI systems is a promising area of research. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is likely that multimodal AI systems will become increasingly common and will play a major role in many different applications. In my current state, I rely on textual descriptions or information provided by users to understand the context and provide relevant responses. Without the ability to see the image related to your wife's discovery while feeding the horses, I am unable to offer any specific insights or comments on what she found. My purpose is to assist with information and tasks that can be accomplished through text-based interaction, and I am continually being developed to improve my capabilities in this area. If you can describe the discovery in detail, I will do my best to provide helpful information based on my knowledge base.